Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites: an iPhone that supports Dynamic Island and the latest iOS update, because new settings may appear only after updating. Once done, open Settings and sign into the device if needed. This prepares permission flows. Now locate the app list inside Settings. You need to edit that app's notifications and live activities. This first step sets the stage. Without it, you can't reach the specific toggles that control color and behavior. Next, you dive into the app-level controls. Open the app settings entry and tap notifications, then live activities where available, because Dynamic Island often mirrors those choices. Make sure banners are set to persistent or temporary depending on how long color cues should show. Also check focus filters and app-specific color schemes. Once you change the app's accent or notification style, Dynamic Island updates to reflect that, which is why you adjust both notifications. To finish, you apply and verify changes. Quit the app, and if needed, restart the phone so the system refreshes Dynamic Island visuals. Then open the app and trigger a live activity or notification to confirm the new color behavior. If visuals don't change, make sure permissions and notification types are allowed, then clear the app cache or reinstall. This forces the app to re-register its color metadata. If problems persist, update iOS. System-level fixes often resolve lingering mismatches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.